Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 8 how to post an Instagram story to Instagram using the application called GRIDS using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the application itself, GRIDS, and then where we see the plus sign, click on this. And now we are able to navigate to the photo that we require. So I'll go to the desktop, click on Instagram tools, and then double click or single click and open. Click on send. Not all the functions and capabilities are available that allow one on mobile phones to change the contrast, the color, add text, music, but it's a very good start. Now if I go to the website instagram.com/my username, refresh, click on this circle here, and now we can see the logo, the photo has been posted to my Instagram story. Click on this X, go back to the application, refresh, click on this again. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.